Welcome to FediBoard, the extension that wakes your Flipboard up. We will end this FediBoard panel tutorial video with parameters and settings. In the upper section, see the toggle for extended view? You have the option of 2 views of the panel. The general on and off toggle to easily turn off FediBoard. No need to deactivate or remove the extension and accidentally delete all your precious data. The icon to access to Tools tab we just covered, and the Settings icon. Let's click it and open it for review right now, shall we? There. So, it's displaying first your account details and your current active plan with expiration date. Then the referral information to earn some social boost bonuses. Just share your code so your lead can register it in the field right below. The one labeled Got a Referral Code. The very useful light dark mode switch. The auto load setting will preload automatically stories from the new magazines you visit. It's turned on by default. The auto wake up will refresh the entire panel with fresh data based on how long you've been away from your computer. You just set up the period, simple. Then 11 languages. No less. Just select yours and the entire panel will reload in the chosen language from Spanish to Ukrainian. The display email for contact is a neat feature reserved to Premium and Pro Curator. It's displaying an envelope icon right after the title of your magazines and Flipboard's header section. Other FediBoard users can click it and copy your email address. That's a fantastic community feature. It's hard to build a community when curators can't contact each others. This email address is not made available to bots whatsoever. It's only between FediBoard paying members. The option to clear data will erase all the data, history, cache, magazine lists, follows, likes, etc. Well, everything. So make sure that's what you want to do because it's definitive. The backup/restore is a useful one just to save data because anything can happen. Right? What FediBoard saves on your device is your account credentials, your settings and preferences, your magazine lists, your last 3 magazine stories cache, your last 200 notifications, your last 100 followers, your last 10 campaign history, your last 100 boost history. All data stays on your device. It's never shared, it's never sold. And that's the complete tour of the FediBoard panel, from stories all the way to your privacy settings. More videos to come on magazine lists, live flip campaigns, reflip campaigns, and how to boost a flip. In other words, where all the magic happens. Till then, happy flipping. Ciao.